You're welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Arichain security circle. Now, in order to do this, you will have to come over to this section, which is the contact. Okay, so here you are going to click on add contact. Of course, you know the security circle, just like the case of Delta Coin, the case of Pi wallet, Pi mining. There are security circles that you add to your own security circle to build it up so that your mining rates will be increased. Now, but in this case, they call theirs contacts. Okay, so we're going to be using the wallet addresses of other miners. We're going to add it here as the security circle. Now, you will have to first get the person's or maybe a fellow miner's wallet address. So now you impute it here at this section, then the wallet name, maybe the person's name, whichever name you want to use to save the person's wallet address, you're going to add it here. So I'll get another Pioneer's wallet right now so that I will show you how to do it. So now I've gotten a wallet address, so I'm going to paste it here. Then under the name, I can just use a random name. Then I will go ahead and hit on the save button, which is this very one. Now it says added to contact. So when you go to the contact section, you are going to see the person's name and his address. Okay, now in case you do not know who to send your wallet address to, you can drop it in the comment section of this video. Then also drop your name. We are just test running. Okay, now you can edit this, you can delete this. All right, now the importance of this is, if you want to send anything to any of the persons in your contact list, you can just go ahead and hit on the send button. Although some people say that this has an added advantage, but I'm really yet to verify the advantage that it has. But we can just try it out now for maybe trying purpose. Before now, some pioneers have engaged themselves in selling their token, that is transferring from their wallet to another person's wallet. Maybe at the end of the day they exchange money. Well, this has not been officially announced because at the market now there is no particular price for the Ari token. Okay, so please take note of this. But in case you want to send, okay, from the home page here, let me point out something before I proceed. There is a difference between the Ari guide, which is the this one, REG, and also the Arichain. This is just like a bonus token that is given to all members that participate in the tasks which I showed you in the video that I dropped in this channel last time about the Arichain. Okay, once you complete this task, you'll be given some of these Ari gold. Now, if you want to send the Arichain, you come over here, or if you want to receive, you can just tap on it. Now, when you tap on it, it has its own section. If you want to send to someone, you can click on the send button. Now, this is the send button. Now here, you are going to enter the person's address. Okay, in this section, you are going to enter the person's address. If the person already, you have his address saved in your contact list, you go ahead and hit on the contact section. And when you hit on the contact section, the people that you have in your contact list will be displayed. Now here, I only have one contact, which is the one I just added, which you just saw me do. Okay, so I can come here and select, or if it's not in my contact list, I'll go over here, paste the address, impute the amount that I want to send, then select the percentage. Maybe if I don't want to impute the amount, I can go ahead and hit on 10%. Okay, now practically, as I've selected 10%, this is the 10% of my total balance. Okay, if I click on 25%, you see it will change. 50%, it will change. 100%, yes, I want to send all, it will change. There is no memo for now. Then you go ahead and impute your password, which is the particular password that you used for registration of this account. Now, that is for the Arichain. If you want to send your Ari guide, which is the bonus token that has been given to all miners for completion of task, what you do is you come over to the Arichain section, which is this. Then you tap on it. Then here you select the particular one that you want to send. Okay, you click on the Ari guide. Now it has changed to Ari guide, and your balance will be displayed here. Okay, the same procedure. You come here, impute the wallet address, impute the amount. Then there is no memo. Then here you impute your password. If the person is in your contact list, you select contact. Then you will send to that particular person. So this is how to add a contact to your Arichain, and also how to send your Arichain. If you want to receive, you just do it the other way around, which is clicking on the receive button. For instance, if I want to send my wallet address to somebody for the person to send me Arichain or Ariguide, I'll just come over here and click on the receive button. Then I'll go ahead and click on copy to copy my receive address. Once I copy it, I'll now send it to the person. If it is for Ariguide, you click on Ariguide, you click on the receive button, then you tap on the copy button, you send the address to the person, and the person will deposit it into your wallet. Make sure you log into your account every day and perform your daily tasks to increase your Arichain token. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember, if you are in this channel, if you have been following this channel and you have not started mining the Delta coin, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. You click on that link, then you use the referral code that you see on the screen to register. Remember to subscribe, like this video, share this video. Thank you for watching.